subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is video number 3 on important question series for UGC NET exam. So in case you haven't watched the previous 2 videos, you can check for the link in the description box below. So also I hope you all are aware of the rules. You just have to read the question, pause the video and try answering it as early as possible, and then resume the video to check your score. And also comment down the score below. So this was the question जो मैंने आपके लिए last time पे छोड़ा था to answer it, and I'm really happy to see that maximum of you gave the correct answer. Special congratulations to Payal, Deepthi, Sonia, Manisha, Kavita and Archana. I'm really happy to see all your answers. So the correct answer is vitamin B, which is also vitamin B1 in specific, and it is known as thiamine. So thiamine is a nutrient which is destroyed in this process. Okay. Let's move on to the quiz for today. Your first question is, absorption of carotene requires the following nutrients in the diet, and your time starts now. The correct answer is fat. Fat helps in absorption of carotene. Next question. Castle necklace is an indicator of which deficiency? Ascorbic acid deficiency, iodine deficiency, vitamin deficiency, or none of the above? Okay, your time is up. The correct answer is vitamin deficiency, and in specific if we talk about it is vitamin B3, which is also known as niacin. Now next question is, a chemical finish exclusively given to cotton to increase luster. Luster means shine, strength and dyeability. So these are the following finishing processes. You just have to tell which one is the correct answer. The options are fulling, crabbing, bleaching and mercerization. And your time starts now. Okay, the correct answer is mercerization. Next question is, the principle of management that in union there is a strength. Okay, so this is one of the principles in management. So which is the term that is associated with this meaning? So options are scalar chain, equity to gain, stability of tenure, or esprit de corps. So your time starts now. Okay, so the correct answer to this question is esprit de corps. It means in union there is strength. Now next question is, shrinkage of cotton fabrics can be reduced by, so which of the following finishing process is associated with shrinkage of cotton? And the correct answer is sanforization. Now next question is, the study of interaction between people and machine is called as ecology, engineering, automation or ergonomics. Okay, so I hope you all must have paused the video and answered the question. Yes, the correct answer is ergonomics, which means the study of interaction between people and machine. Next question is, records that help in personal management. Personal here means employees. The employee's management is job specification, invoice, KOT, work schedule or organization chart. So here we have combination of these options. You just have to tell which is the correct code. Okay, see, job specification is important. Then we have invoice, no, we don't need that. KOT, we don't need that. Work schedule is important and organization is important. So the code we need is A, D and E, which is answer number 3. So next comes theorist that extended the work of psychoanalytic theorist of Freud are. So basically Freud gave this theory, psychoanalytic theory, and they are asking about which of the following theorists extended their work. So here are 4 options. Let's see if you can answer this one. Okay, your time is up now. See, if we talk about this particular question, here we have 4 theorists and any 3 of them are who extended the work of psychoanalytic theory. Okay, so Erikson, yes, he worked on this and he talked about personality development throughout the lifespan. Okay, next is Carl Jung. Yes, he also worked upon it and told the importance of unconsciousness in relation to personality. Then we have Bronfenbrenner. Brenner. No, he didn't work on this. And the last is Alfred Adler. Yes, he also worked on birth order shapes our personality. So he basically said that. So apart from these three, the fourth one, which is missing over here, is Karen Horney. So you can write this name. So these were the four basically theorists, and they are also known as Neo-Freudians, who worked on the psychoanalytic theories and extended the work. So yes, the answer code that comes is A, B, and D, which is option number 2. Next question is, childhood trauma can cause the following psychiatric problems. So बचपन में अगर कोई trauma कोई face करता है तो कौन कौन सी psychiatric problems हो सकती हैं. So the options are chronic disassociation, PTSD, rhinitis, or depression. And your time starts now. Okay, your time is up. See, chronic disassociation, absolutely, this happens. It means disconnecting of mental process. जो एक बंदे का mental process होता है, उसका disconnection हो जाता है उसकी feelings के साथ या जो भी उसका thought process है उसके साथ. Then comes PTSD. Yes, this is also correct. It means post-traumatic stress disorder. Then this does not happen, and depression, yes, we all know it happens. So the code becomes A, B, and D, which is answer number 2. Now next comes, which of the following is a learning disability? Okay, so the options are anoxia, anorexia, aphasia, or dysgraphia. So you have 5 seconds. Try answering this question as soon as possible. Okay, so your time is up now. So the correct answer to this question is dysgraphia, which is code number D and answer number 1. So dysgraphia is basically writing disability. So this is one of the learning disability from the options available here. And this is the last question, and this is also homework for you. I want each one of you to comment your answer on the video below. So the question is, which of the terms relate to language development? First is syncretic, then comes semantics, third is syntax, and last is pragmatics. So we have codes here arranged in certain combination. You have to check it out and let me know your answer below. I hope you like this video. Please let me know your reviews in the comment box. Thank you, take care, and all the very best.